Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi K40 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap to this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left and pick the settings button so we can open the advanced camera options. Here at the first place we have the watermark. So by just one tap we get access to it, and now we can add the timestamp watermark on photos and also the device watermark. So by using the buttons from the right we can turn them on and off as we need, and with the device watermark we have connected the custom one, but as you can see it is locked, so to get access to it we have to turn on device one, and now in the custom we can add our own watermark, as you can see, for example HardReset. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.